WIMUN is an international Model United Nations conference which is organised by the World Federation of UN Associations. It is their flagship Model UN, which takes place in New York City at the UN General Assembly headquarters, and ultimately it's designed to give the most accurate simulation of United Nations that exists in the world.
I think it's imperative that students who are undertaking a Bachelor of International Relations actually be exposed to Model United Nations, because you really get those skills of negotiation and diplomacy that you wouldn't get in a normal classroom.
So my role throughout the conference was to be the delegate of Estonia, which is a small country just near Russia. I was actually fortunate enough to meet with the Estonian mission to the United Nations, which gave a great insight into the diplomatic nuances and the foreign policy of Estonia, which then helped throughout the conference as well. So throughout the conference, across the 4 days, my role was really to find the compromise between the European Union and some of the other political groupings that we were dealing with. So there are a lot of countries that wanted to push their own agendas as part of the resolution, and so finding that compromise between including everybody's parts and making sure that all countries are happy so we could come to a consensus was a really big role that I played.
We've seen a number of our students go forward and graduate into very prominent positions. They're working in embassies, they're working in missions, they're working with Foreign Affairs and the Trade Department, they're working in the Department of Defence, intelligence agencies, charities, non-government organisations.
It's such an exciting time to be an IR student, particularly when considering graduate options, because the field itself is constantly changing. There's constantly new challenges that need to be faced and addressed, and the knowledge that we're learning throughout our degree is going to be essential to meeting those challenges.